The next movement is called hundreds, and this works your core, your entire core, the upper, the middle, the lower, you get it all here. For hundreds, you don't want to crank your neck up. That's not the goal here. You want to gently lift your head and your upper back so that your core is engaged. You want your hips at a 90-degree angle, your knee at a 90-degree angle. You can leave your head down if you want, but you really want to be drawing in those low abs. So you can leave your head down. That's going to work more the lower abs, and you just do this 100 times. That's why it's called hundreds. You can also just gently lift up. That engages the upper core as well as the lower core, and you can do that. But I want you to just notice that my neck is still in a neutral position. I'm not curling up at all. So you would do that 100 times. If you wanted to straighten your legs, that's a way to make it more challenging. And the lower your legs go, the harder the movement gets. So the hardest would be to hold the legs down here, close to the ground, and do the 100 taps with your arms. If you have any questions about that movement, please let me know.